Storming the towers of Aerth. Is that how you turn that? Disable artillery and sabotage org supplies behind enemy lines. Created by player Kevin Holland. Oh, we got it. You can create a level. Well, that's pretty cool. Distract the peon operating the cannon. Sabotage the supply tents. Escape back to the rally point. Okay.
Disable the cannon by getting rid of the peon that is operating.
Okay. Well,
Place a fire trap on the red X, then retreat to the wooden X to avoid the blast.
okay.
Once you disable the artillery, your troops will storm in and keep the enemy troops busy.
Okay.
You'll sneak in and place fire traps at each set of tents to blow up their supplies.
Wow.
You will then signal your troops to retreat and join them at the rally point near the human camp.
Well, good grief, we doing a lot here. Why are you moving so much? Okay, so we need to build up. Okay, so up here, looks like we moved here and we moved here. Okay, cool. So, let's build a fire trap. At the red X, which is 9419. Move back to, okay. Uh, 55. Wait for the peon to investigate the shiny fire trap. Okay. Enter the camp and lay fire traps on each red X. What? What other red X are you talking about? Where? What other X? I don't know where they're at. Okay, well. I'm not sure where the X is in this camp yet, but once I guess they start moving, we can find this X that's supposed to be here because I don't see it. Ugh. 92.9. Okay, so we're going to the X. They're bombing us.
Stag flap down.
Oh, there it is. Okay. Gotcha. How am I supposed to see these X's though? Like, is it gonna reset everything? time because I didn't know what these coordinates were. 9053. What did I say this was? 9053. And 6062. Is that right? Yep. Alright, let's try it again. Storming the towers of Aerth. That's how I'm pronouncing it.
Stag flap murder.
Aerth. Fight, 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 fight. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Just sneaking in here, putting down fire. Retreat. They like, what? What you mean retreat? Oh no, our supplies. Hey, what are you doing? Aren't you supposed to be over here with the rest of them? What happened? What happened here? We got a problem. Ran out of time. Ran out of time.
Soldiers here.
What is this? What is this point? -17. And what? -16 and 40. All time. Alright.
Stag flap murder.
Oh, what'd he say? I thought you said Where? Oh, you just snuck past everybody? What? I would have been the other way, but okay.